Find number 1. The lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meters in diameter and 4.5 meters high. Number 2. How much steel was actually used if 1 upon 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? Solution. The storage tank is in the form of cylinder and its diameter is equal to 4.2 meters. Therefore, the radius r of tank is equal to 4.2 upon 2 meters, that is equal to 2.1 meters. Height of tank h is equal to 4.5 meters. Now, number 1. Lateral or curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Therefore, lateral area of tank is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 4.5, which is equal to 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 4.5 meters square, which is equal to 59.4 meters square. Therefore, surface area of tank is equal to 59.4 meters square. Number 2. Total surface area of tank is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 plus 4.5 meters square, which is equal to 44 into 0.3 into 6.6 meters square, which is equal to 87.12 meters square. Let actual area of the steel used is x meters square. Since 1/12 of x steel was wasted, therefore area of steel that was wasted is equal to 1 upon 12 into x, that is equal to x upon 12 meters square. Therefore, area of steel used is equal to x minus x upon 12, which is equal to 12x minus x upon 12, which is equal to 11x upon 12 meters square. Therefore, 11x upon 12 is equal to 87.12. Therefore, x is equal to 8712 upon 100 into 12 upon 11, which is equal to 792 into 12 upon 100, which is equal to 9504 upon 100, which is equal to 95.04 meters square. Thus, area of steel that was actually used is 95.04 meters square. Volume of solid is defined as amount of region occupied by a solid. Now, volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to L into B into H. Volume of cube is equal to length cube, which is equal to L cube, and volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Capacity. There is no much difference between volume and capacity. Number 1. Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. Number 2. Capacity refers to the quantity that container holds. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube, which is equal to 1000 liter. Volume of a cuboid. Recall that solid objects occupy space. The measure of this occupied space is called volume of the object. Note, if the object is solid, then the space occupied by such an object is measured and is termed as the volume of the object. On the other hand, object is hollow, then it can be filled with air or liquid. Then the volume of substance that can fill the interior is called the capacity of the container. Now, to find volume of cuboid, observe the figure given here. Suppose that the area of each rectangle is A, the height up to which the rectangles are stacked is H, and the volume of the cuboid is V. The area of the plane region occupied by each rectangle into height is equal to measure of the space occupied by cuboid. So we get A into H is equal to V. That is, volume of cuboid is equal to base area into height, which is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H, where L, B and H are length, breadth and height of the cuboid respectively. Let the length, breadth and height of cuboid as A. Therefore, volume of cube is equal to L into B into H, which is equal to A into A into A, which is equal to A cube. Since all sides of cubes are equal.
A cuboid is of dimensions 60 cm by 54 cm by 30 cm. How many small cubes with side 6 cm can be placed in the given cuboid? Solution: we will have to find out volume of the cuboid and volume of the small cube. Volume of the cuboid is equal to 60 into 54 into 30 cm cube. That equals to 97,200 centimeter cube. Now volume of small cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. That equals to 216 centimeter cube. Now number of small cubes that can be placed in the given cuboid is equal to volume of the cuboid upon volume of the small cube. So that equals to 97,200 upon 216. That equals to 450. Hence, 450 small cubes can be placed in the given cuboid. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Solution: volume of reservoir is equal to 108 meter cube. That equals to 108 into 1000 liters. That equals to 1,08,000 liters. Water poured per minute is equal to 60 liters. Therefore, time taken to fill the reservoir is equal to volume of the reservoir upon water poured per minute. That equals to 1,08,000 upon 60 meters. That equals to 1,08,000 upon 60 into 60 hours. So that equals to 30 hours. Hence, the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir is 30.